so cute! Wow! Thank you! Let's cut the paper bag together. Wow! We have these little pieces of paper. What to do with them now? I have this. I think you need it. Thanks, Cookie. I will use it. We have these little pieces of paper. What to do with them now? I will make a small house, okay? Here's a gift for you. Thanks, Cookie. Carefully paste the wallpaper to have beautiful rooms. Then the floors. And one more piece of cardboard. Let's turn it into a step. Wow, it's so beautiful. Bella, I think you need these. Looking at this straw makes me think of the bathroom. Let's see what I will do with this straw. Just a little decoration, and we have a shower in the bathroom. Wow, so cute! Use cardboard to separate the bathroom. Here it is. It's crafty time. Let's show off your talent to make a toilet. Knead. Round, round, round. Roll, roll, roll. Add a pink border to it. Add toilet lid and decorate beautifully. Redecorate the border to make it beautiful. They are beautiful. Hello, I have a new beautiful outfit, Bella. This outfit is what you need. Toilet paper, you're being naughty. But anyway, thanks for bringing me what I needed. You shouldn't be so naughty. Your parents will scold you. Sorry, I know I was wrong. We will use this toilet paper sheet to make small toilet paper rolls. Use a piece of cardboard to make the toilet paper roll. We will make a toilet paper roll. Oh, I like it! Here's a gift for you. Thanks, Cookie. Consider using it. I'll choose the pink mirror. Add bathroom accessories and partitions too. Hey! Where is the stuff you brought me? Haha, thank you! Next to the bedroom, let's start with the bed. Use scissors to cut off the excess. Be careful when using scissors. Wow, it's so beautiful! Something seems to be missing. I have to go find Cookie. Huh? What is this? Surprise yet? Huh? Is it you? Why do you have cotton on your head? Thanks for the cotton. Need a pink background cloth to match. Decorate the rest as you like. Too many colorful bows. Choose this one. Add 2 pillows. They are beautiful. Oh, thank you. How does he always know what I need? Add a bunk bed. Wow, so cute. Let's make a night light to decorate the bedroom. I will use this compass to make a circle. Be careful when using it. Be careful when using scissors. Decorate with more color strips for beauty. Where to put it now? Have you come up with any ideas for this? Oh, I like it! Let's make a Hello Kitty bookshelf together. Be careful when using scissors. A new gift box. Let's unbox it together to see what we have. So beautiful. Wow! Put them all in the house.